Hi, it's Darnell with Waving Recipes, and today I'm going to be showing you my recipe for oat flour pancakes using the Ninja Foodi dual heat air fry oven and using its griddle to cook those pancakes. Now, oat flour, it's a low glycemic index flour, so it doesn't have as hard a hit on the body as, say, regular white flour would, so it's a bit more healthful of a flour to use for things like pancakes, and in my personal opinion, it tastes better than white flour pancakes. But you can try this recipe out yourself and see how you feel about it. And so let's get cooking right now. And so here are the ingredients for the oat flour pancakes. I've got 1 cup of oat flour here. I've got a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. I've got 2 teaspoons of a granulated sweetener. I use like a erythritol monk fruit blend, but use what you prefer. A teaspoon of baking powder. For the wet ingredients, I have a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a 1/2 cup of well-filtered water, and 2 large eggs. What I'm going to do, I'm going to let the cooker start warming up while I mix the wet ingredients in this bowl and the dry ingredients in this bowl here. So turning the cooker on, and I'm going to go over to the dual heat functions, going to go down to griddle. I'm going to leave it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, up my time to 8 minutes, and with that, hit start, let it start preheating, and go ahead and start mixing these ingredients together. Now that I've got the wet and dry ingredients in their respective bowls mixed, I'm going to take the wet, put it on over into the dry, and mix that up, and that'll be my pancake batter. Alright, going to open up and spray with some extra light olive oil so that we're sure things don't stick. Just spray it really good. Now I'm going to take my batter. I'm going to make about maybe 3 or 4 pancakes. Let's see. Pour them out here. It looks like we're going to be having to get further into the back. It's going to be kind of, I don't want it falling out of the cooker completely. It's going to be kind of close here. Yeah, that's good. Maybe I can get a 4th one over here. Well, I think that stuff in the back's going to kind of coalesce together. So we might have 2 huge unified pancakes by the time this is over, but you can basically see how it's done, and I'm sure you'll do a better job than I'm doing as far as pouring the batter out, but it's all good all the same. Alright, so we got batter out. We got, I don't know, maybe like 4 joined together pancakes, but closing up. And I'm going to adjust the time back out to my full 8 minutes so that it can continue to cook for the full time. And I'm going to let it go for 4 minutes, and then we'll do a flip. So I'll bring you back in about 4 minutes. Alright, so 3 minutes have passed, maybe 4 if you count the time it took for me to pour things out, but I'm going to open up and start flipping because it looks like they're ready to be flipped. There is no pause for the cooker, so I can't really pause things, but you can see that they're bubbling up pretty nice. So I'm trying to flip this one without disturbing it too much in the back here. See if I can just flip. Whoops. Going to have to pull it out some more. Alright, man, I can't, guess I'm not doing a good job flipping my pancakes this morning. Let's see. That one's going to probably break. Yep, and it broke. Alright. Let's see if I can, maybe I'll just separate these and then flip. That way I don't have any issues with one breaking again. I'll flip that. Oops, that one I didn't flip too good. Oh man, I broke it. Oh well. Another thing you'll do better on than me is flipping the pancake. So let's see. Get that off there. Oh, Nothing in the back. We'll get this eventually. There we go. So, mine aren't as perfect as yours, but you'll do better than me, and that's all good. So, let's see. Get this closed up again. Alright. So you probably don't need to set it back to the full 8 minutes. Just let it count down to 4 from where it starts out, and you'd probably be all good, all the same, because they're cooking up pretty fast. But I'm just going to let them go for like this last a little more than 3 minutes or so they cook all the way through. Or if they look like they're done sooner, then I'll bring you back sooner. So there's about a minute remaining, but I'm going to go ahead and stop things now. So, you know, they were in there for about 7-8 minutes. I'm just going to kill it and go ahead and get them out, because I do believe that they're done on both sides now. You can see the opposite side there. Everything's well cooked. So, just getting them all off. And on the plate here. They look pretty good to me, but you can tell me what you think. And we'll go ahead and do a taste test. So thank God for some tasty looking pancakes. And although, you know, of course I could put syrup and all that stuff on them to make them look pretty and all that good stuff, I do it without any condiments so that you get my actual response to a taste test of just what was cooked without any of the other stuff that would basically tamper with the taste. So I just do it straight up, and you can put everything you want on yours later. So here we have a piece of pancake, and so let's taste. Alright, so they taste good, and so it's got some fluff to it. It's a good pancake. And as I said, I like them a little more than the white flour pancakes. And like I said, it's a lower glycemic index, so more healthful for you. So with all of that said, in the video description, lots of ways to help the channel. Link to like my Amazon shop, referral links, pay the same price, help the channel, donations, membership, merch, all that good stuff. And if you did like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification icon, and good eating.